What's up, it's your girl Shawnee J here, and I just wanted to come at you with this video real quick. I feel like a lot of women don't really talk about this, but bras. I stopped wearing bras a little while ago because I just hate them so much. They are just so uncomfortable. Like, ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. When you come home and you unlatch those hooks and you're just like, oh, like, it's the best thing ever. It's just as good as when you take that scrunchie out of your hair at the end of the day. Yeah, I just stopped wearing them because I just can't. I can't. The straps on my shoulders, the wire, like, I couldn't do it anymore. I'll still rock like a sports bra every now and then, but that's as far as I'm gonna take it. Or like a strapless bra if I really need it for, you know, a certain type of outfit that I'm wearing. But anyway, when I started to cut back on wearing bras and started free balling more often, I was a little self-conscious at first about my nipples showing. You know, especially at the workplace, you don't want to be at the workplace like, hello, nipples. You know, you don't want to be doing all of that. You don't want people in the workplace just staring at your titties all day either. So, you know, you kind of learn little things you need to do to help conceal those nips. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and give you guys some tips, because maybe someone out there needs them, or someone out there is thinking like, oh my god, I can't stand bras and I don't want to wear them, but I don't want my nipples to show, I don't want my nipples to be so obvious. So I'm going to give you a couple little tips and tricks and things that I still use when I want to conceal the nipples a little more. Like even today, I have on another top under this. If you can see, it's like a thermal top. But then I have this turtleneck over, so layering definitely helps. And as you can see, this is a darker color, a brown. So those darker colors help to kind of like hide the nips. If this was like a tan or like a white or a cream, that kind of thing, you would definitely see my nips way more. You could probably kind of still see them now, but it's definitely not as obvious. And darker colors, layering, overalls. Girl, make overalls your fucking bestie, bitch. Overalls are a great way to hide those nipples without even really trying. You can just put on whatever kind of top you want underneath, and then you have that nice layer over you. And overalls are super fun and stylish and comfy. Like, don't sleep on some overalls, okay? Don't. They're back. They really like never left. But yes, overalls, another great way to like hide the nips. You know, in the summertime, I feel like in the summertime you don't have to worry too much about your nips showing and being out because it's not as cold. You know, it's that cold weather that just makes some attention, you know. But in the summertime, I feel like it's not as much as a problem. But if you are still self-conscious about that, maybe throw in like a really cute little, not jean jacket, but like, you know, those jean vests that like the sleeveless joint, you know, things like that, little cover-ups that you can use to kind of like hide the nipples but still keep it really stylish and fun. And if you're thinking, girl, it is way too hot for all of that, if it's too hot, throw on a bandeau. They have a lot of nice ones out there. They even have some that are like padded now, so you still get that oomph, that push, and that coverage. Okay, 2-in-1 for you, girl, and it's super cute. And you can just throw on whatever bottoms. You can really dress it up or dress it down, and it's strapless, which is a major plus. I wear a lot of bandeaus in the summertime, and even in the winter, fall, or you know, whatever colder seasons, you can still rock a bandeau. You can throw it under your top, and that can help you to conceal those nips as well without having that uncomfortable ass bra on. So we've got bandeaus, we've got overalls, we've got layering, wearing darker colors. We've got, what else we got, girl? We got, you know, any kind of cover-ups that you have, a sweater, a jean jacket, or whatever the case is. Or maybe just like a couple, like a tank, you know, throw a tank on under whatever shirt that you have on. Or they have, I'll show you one. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going back two goodies for you. So you can throw on like a little tank top or a beater under your shirt. They have these as well, and it's a cute little v-neck, but this material is everything though. It's like a nice stretchy kind of material. It's not too thick, but it's just enough to something to kind of like, I don't want to say flatten, because it's not going to flatten you. It's going to give you like a little bit of a, like a form-fitting squeeze kind of, but it's something to help. You know, every little bit helps when you are trying to conceal the girls, okay, the little girly girls, and you're feeling a little self-conscious. But these are just some things to help you through that stage, you know, while you're building that confidence to really just not give a shit and just free the nipple. And then I also have these. A lot of people call them like petals, like, you know, little nipple petals. These don't look like petals, Avi. These are just little circles, but you guys have seen these before, right? You've probably seen the ones that cover the whole boob, like the cutlets, but these, just the nipple. So you can still, you know, be out and be merry. Just slap this on your nipple and throw whatever top you have on there, and boom, you're good to go. And they are, oh wait, they are petals. I just really peeped that. They do, they have the little, you see that? Yeah, they're super easy. They stick on there really well. And then when you're done, you just go ahead, you rinse the back off with some soap and water, let it dry, and then you go ahead and cover it up again with this plastic that comes on it. You want to hold on to that. So, you know, when you want to keep them nice and sticky, you want to keep that adhesive intact. And this little case that it comes in, you know, you just stick them right back in there. And boom, once you pop, the fun don't stop. And they're super small and compact. You can carry these with you, you know, if you ever feeling like maybe you're out and about and you don't have anything covering, but then, you know, maybe you walk into somewhere really cold, and if you get a little self-conscious, girl, you better, okay, just take a little trip to the bathroom, hook it up, and keep it moving. So yes, so those are just some little tips and things that I have for you if you are like me, where you can't stand bras, but you are trying to figure out this whole nipple situation. Maybe you're not necessarily comfortable with your nipples poking out all the damn time, or maybe you are someone who still wears bras and wants to look into no longer using them, but you are feeling very, again, self-conscious about your nipples showing. I hope that helps. I hope that you take away from this. I hope these tips were useful. If you have any of your own, go ahead and put them in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this and more. I will see you in the next one. Free the nipple, girl.